Have you ever wondered what a data engineer actually does in real world projects? Not just the buzzwords, but the actual day to day work. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will break down what data engineers really do using real project examples, tools, and responsibilities. If you are a student, aspiring data engineer, or someone working with the data team, this video will give you a crystal clear picture. Let's get started. So, first things first, who is a data engineer? A data engineer is the bridge between raw data and business insight. Companies generate massive amounts of raw data from apps, websites, sensors, and databases. But raw data alone is useless. A data engineer builds and maintains the infrastructure that collects, processes, and delivers this data in a clean and reliable way. Their main focus is scalability, reliability, and efficiency, making sure that data flows smoothly and is ready for analysts and data scientists to use. Building data pipeline. One of the most important responsibility of a data engineer is building data pipelines. These pipelines follow ETL or ELT processes. ETL means extract, transform, and load. ELT means extract, load, and transform. Data engineers automate data collection from multiple sources like database, APIs, and files. They also schedule and monitor this workflow to ensure data arrives on time. For example, imagine pulling sales data from more than 50 stores every day and loading it into a central database automatically. That's a classic data engineering task. Next comes creating the data foundation, mainly through data warehouses. Data engineers design and build warehouses using tools like Snowflake, BigQuery, or Amazon Redshift. They organize data into fact and dimension tables so it is easy to analyze. Performance optimization is also key. Queries need to run fast even on used dataset. A real project example is building a 360-degree customer view so marketing team can understand user behavior across platforms. Not all data is batch data. Some data needs to be processed in a real time. So data engineers work with streaming tools like Kafka and Apache Flink to process live data. This allows business to build dashboard with up to the second metrics. They also monitor system health in real time. For example, processing millions of user clicks instantly to detect fraud. This requires a strong real-time data engineering. So next one is like data quality and validation. Data is only valuable if it's trustworthy. Data engineers implement data quality checks and validation rules. They handle missing values, inconsistencies, and duplicates. Alerts are set up for anomalies, freshness, and completeness. A real world scenario could be catching duplicate customer records before analysts use them, preventing bad business decisions. Let's talk about tools. Data engineers work with multiple programming languages. Python and SQL are the most important, but Scala and Java are also common. On the cloud side, they use AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud service like S3, BigQuery, Redshift, and Dataflow. For big data processing, tools like Apache Spark, PySpark, Databricks, and Hadoop are widely used. Workflow orchestrants Tools like Apache Airflow help manage complex pipelines. And finally, they work with many types of databases like SQL, NoSQL, and search database like Elasticsearch. So data engineers don't work alone. They collaborate closely with data analysts to understand reporting needs. They support data scientists by preparing clean, reliable data sets for machine learning. They communicate with business teams about data availability and limitations. And they often work with DevOps team on infrastructure and deployment. A real example is helping a marketing team track campaign performance using clean and accurate data. So, what does a typical day look like? In the morning, data engineer check pipeline health and fix failed jobs. Midday might involve developing new data connectors or optimizing slow queries. In the afternoon, they debug data issues and attend team meetings. Common challenges includes managing data growth, controlling cloud cost, and troubleshooting unexpected failures. So finally, what do you need to become a data engineer? Technically, strong SQL and Python skills are essential. You should understand databases, data modeling, and cloud platform. Soft skill matters too, like problem solving, communication, and attention to detail. To get started, practice with real data sets, build portfolio projects, and learn cloud fundamentals. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.